shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for March 4th, 2020. All right, looks like another exciting day on Wall Street. Let's start with the SPY. Yeah, so I was really hoping we were going to escape the 8 EMA. Looks like we're retracing possibly to it on the SPY. The cleaner trade is to the downside with less moving averages. But we'll be bullish above 306.25 for a short retracement to the 8 EMA, as I have written here on the sheet. We're going to be bearish, however, below 303. Yep, we might form that bottom of the W. Yeah, I'm watching for that particular pattern. If we do go below 303, we may retest all these lows. So we'll just take it level to level, and we'll see what kind of late prints come in today. All right, let's go to the E-minis. E-minis, we got bullish above 30.75, and we're going to be bearish below 30.25. We're in the middle right now, but yep, so they're pretty wide levels, but I really have clear trades. Yeah, above here, that would be above the 8. And then, of course, below, you can see there's nothing below. Yeah, so the gravitational pull is also to the downside. We are below the 8 EMA until we close above it. Yesterday, we went above it, right? But we closed below. So we're kind of stuck in between the 4 and the 8 for the E-minis. Not a great place to trade. Wait until we get unstuck, and then it'll be a free fall if we go below. IWM, bullish above 151.25. And again, that would be a retracement trade back up here. Bearish below 149. Again, we could retest these lows. Let's go to the QQQ, bullish above 215. And that's an easy, really nice, easy trade above 215, right? Because that would be above this 8. I have some targets up there. But we are going to be bearish below 212. Yeah, if we go below 212, the 4 EMA, there's a trade all the way down to the downside. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 8,800 and bearish below 87.20. We're in between. All right, let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, oil. See what those guys are doing. Oop, my volume is playing around there. Okay, so today we're going to be bullish above 48.12, and we're going to be bearish below 47.25. Yeah, pretty wide levels. If we go below the pivot, that's when things will turn bearish for oil. And let's just go to gold, because this is an exciting chart right now. We are right on this trend line. See this dotted green line? That's from the weekly chart. Yep, here we are. Are we, it's only Wednesday. Are we going to close above it? We haven't been able to close above it. We've gone above it last week, but we upthrusted. Are we going to close above it? So bullish above 1650. That's a really key level. Bearish below 1632 for a retracement trade. Okay, back down to the pivot and the 8 EMA. Let's go to the regular stocks. Just put the oil back. All right, let me just go. I have lots of stocks for you guys today. Let's start with AMD, Paul, the alien. Yeah, map this one out. Bullish above 48.38. Yeah, I like that, above the 8. And again, right, there's a nice little trade set up right here. There's a little pocket. Oops. Yeah, if it can break above the 8. However, bearish below 47.25. If we go below the 4 EMA, then there's a good trade set up to the short side for AMD. Let's go to Apple. Apple was a great trade yesterday. Had a great short on this. Retracement, yeah, all the way down to the moving averages. Today, we're just kind of sitting right on top of it. We are going to be bullish above 301. Okay, if we can break above 301, then we could have a bigger move right to these moving averages. However, going to be bearish below 292.50 for Apple. Let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft, bullish above 170. Yeah, really big level. Right now, Microsoft is stuck in between the 4 and the 8. Just zoom in for you so you can kind of see that. Yeah, just stuck right here. Really needs to break above or below. So bullish above 170, bearish below 167. We'll see which way it goes. Otis wants to talk about Tesla. I didn't put it in the whisper. I started to map it out. Didn't really love it, to be honest, today. I loved it yesterday on the short side. I know you guys nailed that. Below 800. That was a beautiful setup yesterday. A really nice retracement trade down. Today, look where it's at. It's kind of stuck in between all these moving averages. So really, I like it below, below the 735 if we go below. So here's the pockets, right? Here's a beautiful trade and here's a good trade. Yeah, I just didn't really love where it was at. Okay, so today, again, I would wait for that. You might get sliced and diced. So I did not put it in there. Let's go to Bank of America. Yeah, Bank of America, I'll be bullish above 28.75. All right, above this 4, wherever this 4 is, there is a trade in there, and I'll be bearish below 28. All right, really key. We had dark pool prints at 28.45. And we are below that right now. That's a key level to watch for BAC. Let's go to TLT. This thing hit all my targets on every side, upside, downside. Crazy day yesterday. Holy cow. Yeah, but look where it went. It went right to the 8 EMA and bounced. This is so powerful. Gosh, if you don't have this on your chart yet, what's the matter with you? Put this on your chart. 8 exponential moving average. Daily chart. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything, and it's amazing. Computers are trading off of it. So we're bullish above 157 today and bear below 154.80. So my bear trade is really below this 4 EMA. Okay, bullish trade if we do move up. It's crazy. All right, let's go to a USO. I kind of like this setup today. If we could break above the 8, this 1020, we had recent dark pool activity at 971, 985, 995, and 999. We are above it, but we're hitting that brick wall, the 8 EMA. So this is really a perfect trade setup if we could break above 1020, and these would be our targets. However, if we do start to turn down, and I'll be bearish below 980. My first target would be that dark pool level 971, and then the coast is clear below that. We would be below this is all the dark pool activity. So always bullish above, bearish below. Let's go to GLD. 155, really key level. Yeah, I was bullish above 155.25. Wanted to give a little bit extra room above that major level. Bearish below 154.50. That trade is already happening. Yeah, we are retracing a little bit as we speak. Let's go to Macy's. Macy's. Bullish above 13. Yeah, so this one, there's a possible trade. A lot of pre-market volume, which is unusual. But there is a little trade set up between the 4 and the 8. But bearish below 12.40. We had a print, not the largest, but 1242, 336 recently. So that's why I'm bearish below that. Let's go to GFI, another gold trade. A lot of volume this morning. Bullish above 7 for a gap and go scenario. And bear below 678 for a retracement back down to the 8 EMA for that one. Let's go to AAL. Yeah, massive prints coming in on this one. Yeah, lots. 2 million came in yesterday, 1854. And recently we had 1 million at 20. And of course, we all know about that 2833 massive 9 million sell print. Yep. Question is, are they buying now? Are we rounding a bottom here? Possibly, or possibly not. I'm prepared for both situations. So I will be bullish above 19, above the dark pool level yesterday, 1854. And this is just a trade set up between the 4 and the 8. We're going to hit a brick wall here. And that's why I have 2068 here, 8 EMA. Yeah, this is always moving, by the way, right? They're called moving averages. And throughout the day, they will move slightly wherever it moves to. Even if my target is different on the sheet in the morning, wherever it moves to, I want you to get out before it hits the brick wall, okay? Or if it's coming down to the brick wall, get out before it on your shorts. All right, so sometimes I'll tweak it a couple of pennies, but it's always, if I put 8 EMA, watch the 8 EMA for your target. Bearish below 18. Yeah, if we do go below 18, we could be headed much lower. We shall see. Let's go to GDX, another gold stock, bullish above 29.50. Yeah, bearish below 28.25. We had some big dark pool prints recently at 28.37 and 28.48. There you have it. That's your whisper for today for March 4th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking that's my secret. Can you keep it my secret? My secret.